Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For this mini project, this is my multi-department organization, which is in this organization there are two floors, which is for finance and for marketing. In this organization, I use interVLAN to connect these two, and then for connection between the switch and PC in each floor, I use access, and then from switch to switch, I use trunking. Next, and then I also implement the HSRP and ACL into the configuration to optimize the security level of the organization. So this is the VLAN configuration that we can check here, which is okay. So ESW is the this one, which is layer 3 switch, and then I put the command show VLAN switch since it is layer 3 switch. So okay, so as you can see here, there are all of the ports are in VLAN 1, which is default VLAN. Since this is because this layer 3 switch doesn't connect with any VLAN, which is they are not directly connected with the switch. And then this is to show that interface fast internet 03 and 02 are in trunking mode. This one, administrative mode, trunk, encapsulation. And then for this is show IP interface VLAN 10. This command will display all of the IP address that I already configured in this organization, which is 192.168.10.1. This IP I configure based on the default gateway, which is from IOU1. IOU1 is the gateway for the VLAN 10. And then next is IOU1. IOU1 is the default gateway for VLAN 10. And then this shows from show VLAN brief command, you can see that in this layer 2 switch, I already configured this port ET00, ET0102 into access, and then I configure it under VLAN 10. Okay. And then in this layer 2 switch also, we need to configure VLAN 10 also to enable the inter-VLAN connecting to these two VLAN. Okay, next is IOU2. IOU2, we can see that the VLAN 10 can go through ET02 port. Since this is trunking, so this port will enable VLAN 10 entity to route through this link. And then okay, show interface VLAN 30. This is the IP, and then IP address, and this is the where is the link for VLAN 30, which is ET00, ET03, and then ET01. To show that I already configured access list and ACL, so we can put the command show standby brief, and this is the interface that I already configured ACL in it, which is VLAN 10 entity. And in this interface also, I already put the access list. Sorry, this is the HSRP, and this is access list. This one is for IOU1, which is VLAN 10 entity, and this is IOU2, which is for VLAN 10 entity, and it is the default gateway of VLAN 30. For this mini project, there are several things that I can troubleshoot in this mini project, which is a problem connecting VLAN for inter-VLAN. The problem is the configuration of trunk and access didn't display when I run show run, so I uninstall and reinstall the GNS3. Next is the different MD5 sum with when I insert new iOS image for router and switch in template. So I use another way, which is preference. I can insert the preference, click on iOS router, and then insert new. So insert new image, and then the software will register, and we can choose the image in the given. Next is insufficient device in GNS3. I need to look up for another option since layer 3 switch and layer 2 switch didn't defaultly in the GNS3, and then for hence I look up these devices in from YouTube and from GNS3 website. Lastly is the difficulty in uploading iOS image. That's all for me. Thank you.